Hello everyone, today we're gonna go through the assembly of our 15-foot trampoline by SONGMICS. The first step is going to be the assembly of all the legs. You'll find 3 parts. These are going to come together to form the U-leg shaped piece. Once you've already assembled all the legs, it's time to attach the tube frame that's labeled C1, and these will have T-joints on both ends of the pole, and so these are going to pop into the U-shaped legs, creating the base for the trampoline. There's going to be 6 ring tubes without the T-connectors, and so you're just going to place them in the middle spaces. So the next step will be the installation of the springs with the jumping mat. And so as you're counting, the first 4 you're going to want to connect. The first notch on the trampoline base, the 27th notch, the 54th, and the 81st. So once all the springs are attached, you're gonna want to take out that safety pad and unfold it and start placing it all around the mat. Now you're not gonna want to tether it down just yet. This will be a step that comes at the very end. Now you'll start installing the poles that uphold the safety net. The rods you'll want to be keeping an eye out for are labeled L1 and L2 and J1 and J2. The main difference you'll want to keep an eye out for is that L1 and J1, those rods are thicker than the rest of them, and that's because this is the pole that's going to be holding the basketball hoop up. When you connect the L2 and J2 rods together, you'll feel it click into place. And once those poles are assembled, that is when you're going to want to slip on the protective sleeve labeled Part B. Now it's time to install the basketball hoop. So once you have the basketball hoop completely assembled, this is the part where you will attach it to the pole. The next step is the final adjustment of the safety net, which you'll do by using the rope labeled Part H. And so what you're going to want to do is pass the rope through those reserved holes, and also to weave them through the triangular rings of the jumping mat to make sure that each hole of the safety net is connected to those rings. Once the trampoline is fully assembled, you'll want to use the ground nails to keep it firmly in place. And voila, you're all done.